Okay, so question again the same. Why reality shows should not be watched when we already have a lot of content to watch online, which is worse than a reality show called Splitsvilla, Love Lockup, so many things like that, right? Question is the same. Okay. Anyone? Okay, fine. Anyone else would like to give any other information, would like to add the points? Like Shilpa, would you like to add something if you are prepared now?
Uh, yes, I agreed with Mosmi's point. Like some reality shows affecting mentality of people. Contestants are encouraged to whatever they want to do to win the shows. So, and basically, it also give a platform to contestant or people to show their talent. So, as I would say, it is a good for contestant or people who are looking for looking for fame and looking for gathering a new opportunity to a good platform, because as we know nowadays, people have talent but they don't get platform to show their talent.
Okay, okay, fine. So you have taken point in this way. Fine. It is affecting mentality of us, of the common man, right? Mango people. It is also affecting the mentality of kids sometimes, right? But don't you think that it has become the job or a kind of platform for getting the job for everybody? Many
Yes, yes,
reality shows, many jobs, technical people are getting jobs, behind this camera people are getting the job. Don't you think it is giving job to Mumbaikers and earning more business, earning more opportunities for the youngsters? Like you can be the part of this show and you will become famous one day. Don't you think that it is that also? How can you ignore the point that this is being the medium of employment? Yes. Say. The reality is this, that yes, it has that. How can you ignore the fact? Can you ignore the fact? You know you can't ignore, right? So, yes, think about it and tell me. Okay, so basically, it is time to give the conclusion of your points. Would you like to propose the conclusion now? Please. At
Uh,
last, what do you want to say?
yes, ma'am. I'm not denying that the fact that it is giving job opportunities to many people, but the point was that is it worth watching? So I think it is on. It depends on person to person. Matlab how he is taking that show. Is it taking it too seriously? Is he reconnecting with his own life, resembling with the show with his own life? So I think uh, it depends on person to person how he takes.
Okay, next. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. I also agree with this Swati. Like it's depends upon we uh, to which type of shows we can watch or not.
Okay, right. So I also agree with you. It completely depends on us and depending on the family members, how you are letting your children and yourself attach to any reality show or being the viewer of any reality show. Okay. Now, what I will say simple thing in general opinion that see whatever happened in the TV industry in India, right? It is a great revolution happened. Earlier channels were only for 24 hours, 12 hours or particular timings were there. Now it is 24/7. If you remember, earlier Doordarshan used to be closed by 12 o'clock. Now you see channels, if you start the channel in TV, you will get a movie running at 2 o'clock night also, correct or not, right? So great revolution happened to the TV industry and it got lot of things to the country, economically, financially, I would say, fame wise also got a lot of fame, right? TV actors also started getting some recognitions. Awards are just like the film awards. They have big awards, huge awards, which are famous. They also have abroad awards in abroad. They keep the awards in abroad. That means TV industry is that famous. Abroad, people buy the tickets to watch those stars, to watch the performances of those stars, right? And you see how YouTube world also took over TV. Now TV artists are coming and just doing all this. If you see the reality shows on the same television or on OTT platform, which is a new add-on, new addition in our in our entertainment world, I would say that it has really marked a great hype in our own you know uh, growth. So there is nothing bad about reality shows if you are watching the correct reality show. But if you are watching something which has no purpose in life, if you are watching something which is only for entertainment, then please keep it only for entertainment. Don't try to apply in real life. You can get motivated by singing, dancing reality shows. You can get by any KBC kind of reality show, quiz show kind of. That's okay. But you should not get motivated for Splitsvilla, I guess, because it has no purpose. It is only for entertainment of different types, entertainment, right? You can be a roadie. You can also think of being a roadie. But again, if you can do much better, then do something else rather than going into roadies or abusing, learning abusive language because roadies people have all this. No, it's not like this. Roadies people also say, especially the host of the roadies show, they also say that the roadies, you think it is not the same. It is how you survive, how the toughness you have for life, how you survive in that conditions. Are you physically strong or not? So it's a motivation again, physically strong, but not abusive, right? And also one more thing, recently we got one Cambridge English, that is Burlington English. That publication is Burlington. They gave the first lesson in English of 8th standard. That is reality show. And how nicely they told behind the scene efforts. That reality show is all about behind the scene in that chapter. What happens behind the scene of a reality show? There they tell us that very nicely it is written that, see, these reality shows are less or more real. They are not completely real. So if you think it is the real life, it doesn't happen. Believe in that thought. You know, listening the name, reading the name reality show, we think everything is real, but it's not like this. Understood? So very importantly, if a reality show is motivating you, giving a great motivation, please go for it. If it is only for entertainment, please get entertained and forget. Don't apply in our real lives. Correct or not? Same thing happens to our TV shows, drama shows, and all those things. Right? So I think this could be
Yes,
a
ma'am.
best conclusion what we can understand with this, right? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other points anyone wants to add? Fine. I don't think, because I have been saying this for a long time. Okay. Now, second thing which I shared yesterday, guys, it is all about your long, chapter of your tense and model chart. So we named it Ramban chart. We named it all English chart, which has all the verbs of English which you need. If you need a modal verb, it is there. If you need a tense, it is there. If you need a passive voice, it is there, right? So I would like to just show you a glimpse of it. I already shared the file, complete file with you. Every day you need to practice, starting from present tense, simple, then past, then future, simple tense. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah, I think I shared a wrong file with you, I guess. Hmm? Yeah. I shared a wrong file with you because I needed to share the whole big file, but I shared a very small file with you. Again, going to it and doing it once again. Yeah. So I guess this is the file. Okay, I'll share today once again. I shared a wrong file, by the way. So the file I shared with you yesterday, is it different? This file has different content, nice long content. And the file I shared, it has only basic content, which you don't need now. It is already there in your last session, in your last class. Yeah. So yesterday, do you remember what we practiced? We practiced do verb and be verb, correct? And present simple. It was all simple only. We started like this and we did the same. See, yes or no? We just studied the same one. From present simple to the model, the last model was daren't. Somebody asked me yesterday that daren't means, तो मैंने कहा था, बोलते ना, how dare you talking to me like this? Dare मतलब साहस करना, हिम्मत करना. That is the same part, right? So yesterday I taught you the first column, or revised you the first column and the third column. Let us move to now second column today. It is have verb. Now we know have verb means possession. देखो दिखाती हूँ. Can you see the second column? It is given there. To have means possession, right? In present, this is have. This is has or have. Has for singular, have for plural. Past में जाते हैं तो had बनता है. Future में जाते हैं तो will have बनता है. अगर perfect tense में जाते हैं तो भी had होता है, right? तो इसकी second form भी had ही होती है. अब देखो ध्यान से. If we go to the next part, यहाँ पर एक सिंपल सा सेंटेंस लिया है हिंदी में, उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है। रिकॉर्ड बोले तो किसी का बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन, उसके करियर का जो बैकग्राउंड है, उसकी जो पर्सनल लाइफ का बैकग्राउंड है, वो उसका रिकॉर्ड कहलाता है। तो हमने एक सेंटेंस बना लिया, उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है। सेंटेंस क्या है उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है, बताइए, बोलिए, कल के जैसा बोलना है, बोलिए।
Has a good record.
He has a good record, right? Okay, Arpita. Arpita gives right answers at the right time, है ना? Okay, he has a good record. ठीक है, कल बहुत अच्छे से बोल रही थी वो, इसलिए मैंने बोला। कैसे बोलेंगे उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड था, इसी का पास्ट बना लेते हैं, कैसे बोलेंगे?
He had a good record.
He had a good record. Very good. कैसे बोलेंगे उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होगा? होगा,
He will
फ्यूचर
have
में
a good record.
he will have a good record. Very good. अगर इमेजिन करना है कि उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होगा, एक दिन बैठ के इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, दिमाग में सोच रहे हैं, क्या बोलेंगे?
He would have
He would have a good record. अच्छा, हम सलाह दे रहे हैं, एडवाइस कर रहे हैं, उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए।
You should have a good record.
सब कुछ प्रेजेंट में है, सब कुछ प्रेजेंट में, उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए। ये हमारी तरफ से सजेशन है। अच्छा, किसी को ड्यूटी बतानी हो, एक मोरल ऑब्लिगेशन बताना हो कि देखो तुम्हारी ड्यूटी है कि तुम्हारा एक अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए, मेंटेन करके रखो, क्या बोलेंगे?
You must have good
सॉरी,
record.
उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए, क्या बोलेंगे?
He must have.
He ought to
He
have
must
a good record. ड्यूटी के लिए ऑटो लगता है, लेकिन
Okay.
आपने जोर देकर कहना है कि अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होना ही चाहिए। रिकॉर्ड खराब नहीं कर सकते आप, कैसे बोलेंगे? अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग सजेशन देना है किसी को, क्या बोलेंगे?
He must
मस्ट हैव अ गुड रिकॉर्ड। चलिए फिर आ जाइए, कैसे एक अगेन थोड़ी सी एडवाइस देनी है किसी को स्ट्रॉन्ग वाली के करना ही है, उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना है। डिसिप्लिन को हटा दीजिए, बोलिए, उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना है।
He has to have
He has to have a good record. आप सोच रहे होंगे ना has to और have कैसे आया? हाँ, क्योंकि has to कंपल्शन बता रहा है, must का सिनोनिम होता है। मस्ट की जगह हैज टू भी बोल सकते हैं इनफॉर्मली। मस्ट फॉर्मल वर्ड है, लिखने में यूज करते हैं, ऑफिशियल बोलने में यूज करते हैं मस्ट, बट जनरल हम हैज टू हैव टू कहते हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ पे हैव का मीनिंग है रखना या होना, होना पास में होना, वो रिकॉर्ड होना आपका, ठीक है? नीचे आ जाइए, कैसे बोलेंगे? से अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना था, इसका मतलब शायद रखा नहीं है, अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना था, कैसे बोलेंगे?
He had to have
He had to have good record, a good record. उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना होगा।
He will have to
He will have to have good record. उससे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना पड़ सकता है भाई, हो सकता है उसके रिकॉर्ड की चेकिंग हो रही हो जॉब वेरिफिकेशन के लिए, तो कैसे बोलेंगे रखना
Would
पड़
have
सकता
to.
है?
he may have
He may
good
have
record.
to have a good
He might.
record. डिसिप्लिन को यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करना है अपन को। अच्छा, उसके अंदर एबिलिटी है कि वो अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रख सकता है, वो ये कर सकता है। How will you say?
He can have ability to
Very good. He can have a good record, right? वह एक अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रख पाया, वो मेंटेन कर पाया, रख सकता था, कैसे बोलेंगे? How will you say?
He could have a good record.
He
could have a
हाँ, वेरी गुड,
good record.
गुड रिकॉर्ड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ये दिमाग में चलते रहना चाहिए कि ब्राइट फ्यूचर लिखा है, लेकिन मेरा रिकॉर्ड ही चल रहा है अभी भी, मैं दूसरा ही वर्ब यूज कर रही हूँ, राइट? वर्ड मैं दूसरा यूज कर रही हूँ, हैव वर्ब है वहां पे, ठीक है? अच्छा, कैसे बोलेंगे? उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड, मतलब उसका रिकॉर्ड अच्छा हो सकता है, ये 50% पॉसिबिलिटी बताई जा रही है, कैसे बोलेंगे उसका अच्छा रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है?
he may have a
He may have a record. वेरी गुड। कैसे बोलेंगे उसका शायद अच्छा रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है, अगर चेक करेंगे तो?
he might
He
have
might have a good record. और कैसे बोलेंगे कि उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना है, ये विलिंगनेस है, इच्छा है कि रखना ही है तुमको, कैसे बोलेंगे?
He has to have a good record.
नॉट हैज टू, इच्छा हैज टू नहीं, कंपल्शन बताते हैं, हैज टू तो करना ही पड़ेगा, ये तो ऐसा है करना है, दिल कहता है। ही इज टू हैव अ गुड रिकॉर्ड।
Okay.
कैसे बोलेंगे उसे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखना था.
He was to have
He was to
He
have a
was
good
to have a-
record. ठीक है,
was
कैसे
to have a
बोलेंगे?
good record.
वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने वाला है, मेंटेन करने वाला ही है वो. जस्ट अबाउट टू हैपन. हाउ विल यू से?
He is about to have
He's about
He is
to have a
about
good
to have a
record.
good record. कैसे बोलेंगे? रखने वाला था, पास्ट की बात हो रही है, कैसे बोलेंगे?
He was about
He was about to have a good record. और कैसे बोलेंगे कि उसकी प्लानिंग चल रही है अच्छा रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करने की, अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने की. कैसे बोलेंगे?
He is going to have a good record.
Is going to have a good record. इसका पास्ट कैसे बनेगा? प्लानिंग चल रही थी.
He was planning
He was
to have a
going
good
to
record.
have a good record. यहाँ पे प्लानिंग नहीं बोलना है, going to ही बोलना है, which is gonna also. वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रख सकता है. वह रख सकता है बोलते वह रखने योग्य है, वो मेंटेन कर लेगा, कर सकता है. ये एबल टू जो है ना वो कैन का सिनोनिम है, लेकिन एबल टू है, वो कैन नहीं है. राइट? तो कैन भी बोल सकते हैं, ही इज एबल टू भी बोल सकते हैं. बोलिए सेंटेंस. वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने योग्य है, वह मेंटेन करने योग्य है, उसमें ये एबिलिटी है कि वो कर लेगा. हाउ विल यू से?
He is able to
have a good record. वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने योग्य था.
He was able to have a good
He
record.
was able to have. और वो अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने योग्य होगा, कर लेगा.
he will be
able to have a good
Will be able to have a good record. वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने योग्य बन सकता है, हो सकता है.
he may be
He
able
may
to
be
have
able to have a good
able to
record. Very good. वह अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखता था, अच्छा रिकॉर्ड बनाता था, अपना बैकग्राउंड क्लीन रखता था. How will you say?
He used to have a good
He
record.
used to have a
He
good
used
record. कैसे बोलेंगे? इससे अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने की जरूरत क्या है? वो तो एमएलए का बेटा है. कैसे बोलेंगे?
he needn't have
Didn't have a good record. और उसके अंदर हिम्मत ही नहीं है अच्छा रिकॉर्ड रखने की. How will you say?
he didn't
He didn't have good record.
a good record.
अंडरस्टूड. अब आपको क्या करना है? अब आपको पूरा प्रेजेंट का जो सेक्शन है, क्योंकि इसके नीचे जाएंगे ना तो कंटिन्यूअस नजर आता है, वो नहीं करना है. पूरा प्रेजेंट का उठाइए, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट कॉलम टू सेकेंड टू थर्ड. और जो थर्ड कॉलम है उसी का पैसिव वॉइस हमने बनाया फोर्थ कॉलम में. उसको पढ़िए, रीड कीजिए, समझिए. एंड यू कम विद योर डाउट्स व्हेन यू कम ऑन मंडे. टेल मी व्हाट डाउट यू हैव. When you read by yourself, then only you get the doubt. अभी मैं समझा रही हूँ तो yes, yes, okay, okay, fine, fine. But you read it, do your own research and development, and tell me on Monday where you have the problem. Then if you are able to understand present simple, we'll go for continuous. Okay? Present simple means, sorry, it has future, past. If you are able to understand simple, we'll go for continuous. Okay? Fine. Tomorrow we don't have the class. Tomorrow again there is one day which is something which is fun day for us. We'll have all the cleanings and everything. So tomorrow no class, but we'll have class on Monday. So you have one day to do it. Do it. Spend some time, some 20-30 minutes with it, and see you on Monday. Bye. Take care. Good night. Good night. I'll share this now. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.